Hi guys, and welcome back to see another Gasparini video. Last time, I've told you about the Gasparini origins. If you still haven't seen it, just click on this link and discover how Gasparini started making miniatures. But today, I want to tell you another story. This time, I want you to see how Gasparini is turning a tin ingot like this into a high-quality miniature. Every Gasparini masterpiece, in the very first beginning, is just an idea. It starts like a spark, a sketch or a draft. Then, like in every branch of art, there is a development. Drawings, testings, a real project comes to life. And more than one artist takes part into this process. After the drawings comes the sculpture. Sometimes it's done using 3D computer graphics, but often Gasparini goes for the old school and chooses to co-work with talented Italian sculptors. After that comes the real Gasparini specialty. He makes molds for every prototype, and then the magic starts. The tin is melted to flow into a centrifuge. After cooling down, every mold has to be carefully opened, the minis are cut and cleaned and set for shipping. And the last step? The last step is in your very hands. Well, most of Gasparini's miniatures are intended for tabletop fantasy football. But there is much more. There are minis for any game type. And not only. Wanna have your personalized dice? Here we are, like you want them, handmade, one by one. What about tokens, templates, or coins? Gasparini has a full range of colors to make them as you like. And if you play wargaming, you would surely love our MDF accessories and buildings. Would you like to build a medieval village? Or maybe you prefer to reenact a Napoleonic battle? Take a look to this battleground. Gasparini is producing a variety of materials that fit any game type, including the most famous sci-fi ones. You can write your wishes to Gasparini at this address, but we are also active on other media channels. Just tell us what you would like to realize, and if we don't have it already in our inventory, then our team will work on a solution for you. The miniature of your dreams, it's closer than you can ever imagine.